Stella. What are you doing? Are you watching your monkeys? Are you watching your little monkeys bounce? Huh? Monkeys bounce. Whoa. Those are some great monkeys, aren't they? You look cute, little baby girl. See your hair. Mommy has to wash your hair almost every day because we all rub it and it gets greasy. But it's just so soft. You crossing your eyes? That's cool. Are you getting mad at me? You getting mad at me? I don't want to sit here. I want to be held. Alright. You want to see the monkey one more time? The monkey's just not doing what you want. So get it together, monkeys. You are here to entertain me, not the other way around. Alright. Alright. Good baby girl.